Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to find and replace words in Google Docs. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To find and replace words in Google Docs, go to your Google Doc and open the document. Now I am going to show you how to find and replace words. Click on Edit tab on upper left corner, and then you will find the last option, find and replace. Click on find and replace. Now I am going to find and replace a word, for example tree plantation, and I will find tree plantation and it will replace with gardening. And here you will find three options. One, match cases, and match cases means if your find is uppercase, only uppercase will replaced, and if you do not select this option, it will find and replace uppercase and lowercase both. And you will find another option here, use regular expression, for example N for new lines and T for tabs. And another option is ignore diacritics, that means lowercase and uppercase means uppercase. I'm not going to change anything here. If you want to find and replace one by one, you can click next, and if you want to find and replace all at a time, just click on replace all. All has been replaced to gardening. I'm going to check tree plantation already changed to gardening here. This is the easy way to find and replace word in Google Docs. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.